Hello friends, so today we are going to talk about idle tool. So what is idle? Idle is nothing but integrated development environment editor. So it is a graphical user interface for Python development, and it enables you to edit, run and debug Python programs in a simple GUI environment. So idle is actually a Python program that uses the standard libraries and integrates GUI to build its windows. So how do we install it? We don't have to do anything new in this. When you will install Python, so it will install idle by default. So you can see this. If you click on this, it will open an editor, and to check, you can just write a simple program. Print, this is a demo program. Enter it and it will print it. So this is not the only window, we have one more window. This is the editor window. So as you see that when we used to do C, C++ or Java programming, we used to write code, then we used to debug it. This same as it. So here we will write program, and in the next window, in the right window, we will see the output. So this is the output window. So let me demo you something. So I'll create main first. If name equals to main, call main function. I'll define main. Print hello world, and to run this program you have to either press F5 or you have to click run mode. Once you click on run mode, it will ask you to save the program. You first have to save your program. Click on OK. So I don't want to save my program here. I have my custom location, and I'll write programs, first program. Don't forget to write an extension EY and click on save. Once it's saved, it prints the content hello world. So let me create one more program, a Factorial. Let's take an example of Factorial. So I'll define fact. Let's take an number. If n equals to 0, return 1, else return n fact n minus 1, and now we have to call it and print it as well. Print fact, let's give or take 9, set it, and now again I'll click on run mode. It will ask me to save the program. Return, there's something missing here. Well, syntax. Now we are good. So you see, here is the output. So you also see how it works. So suppose it will see some error in any line, it will show you, and then you can correct it as it is. So yeah, the editor is very complex. You have to maintain if and else things, so it acts like that. You cannot do it. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching.